I think what we're seeing now is some of the things that were being predicted by the world scientists was a higher frequency of bigger storms. And that's pretty much what we're seeing this year, right? And everything, especially in the ocean, if we have warmer temperatures in the ocean and warmer temperatures in the atmosphere, that's when our storms are stronger also. And that's sort of what we're seeing now. But at least one of the things that we should pay attention to is not just the weather changes that we're seeing, it's also the number of people being impacted by these weather events, right? So when you start to connect the weather into the damage, into the impact in people, that's where the climate change should be focused on. So, for example, if you go down to East Palo Alto, like they're getting flooded every day. Every atmospheric river we have, they're getting flooded. Their houses getting flooded, their cars are getting flooded, their roads are getting flooded. And it's a bit of an injustice, right? Like if we need something, we'll probably be able to get it. They've been fighting for more representation and more funding from the state, and they still don't receive it. And that's one of the the biggest signs, right? Like Florida, if you go to see Florida, Florida gets flooded now pretty much every year. Some coastlines in Louisiana get flooded every year. California goes into droughts longer than 10, 20 years. But that's also like the first sign is that people are under wildfire risk. People are under drought stress.